the Rowcing AI 007. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Rowcing AI 007 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with small, medium, large ear tips, USB-C charging cable, and your standard user guide. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm 3020 chipset, aptX codec, CVC for noise reduction. It has always-on voice commands, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and wireless. And it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You will immediately notice how sleek the case looks. This comes in black and also white. It has a glossy top with the branding and a matte side and bottom. On the left side, you have the USB-C charge port. And inside the case, you'll find the charge status LEDs. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. It feels tight and not loose at all. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. And you can see the two-tone, the red finish inside the case. As mentioned earlier, this has wireless charging and you can see it activate on the charger. The earbuds have a stem design and they're not too long. It has a plastic feel and you can see the ear markings on the inside. On the outer face, you have the touch control. Each of the earbuds have microphones, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, and touch control. Here they are side by side. You can control playback and call controls along with the Smart Assistant by tapping on the side. It also has a unique feature with the always-on voice, so you can control all those features without having the phone out. Here are some of the commands. Next song. Next song. Next song. Previous song. Previous song. Hello voice cue. Smart Assistant commands can be initialized by just saying hello voice cue, as you saw from the demonstration. The case comes in at 2.1 by 2.3 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 57 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces, there is pain. Lift the sky, go further, push through the edge. We know how to be a hot mess.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Rowcing AI 007 True Wireless Earbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Rowcing AI earbuds. I found them to be very comfortable and easy to put on. Very light and it doesn't feel like you have them on at times. Touch controls don't add pressure in the ear canals when navigating, and they felt secure and stayed into place. Build-in quality is excellent. I like the design of the case. Not too big and it has a sleek look. The two-tone color brings it out and adds some style to it. Both the case and earbuds feel solid and durable. Touch controls and the voice-activated commands worked with no issues, and the always-on feature is very responsive to the commands. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 28 total with the case. I like the fact that it has wireless charging and USB-C. Now when it comes to sound, the bass was prominent and not too heavy. Definitely not lacking and you get tight, punchy sounds. Mids and highs are very clean and crisp. It comes in a bit forward, but it's not too bright. Just enough so it doesn't really get drowned out by the bass. Vocals stand out and it's very clear. Good separation and depth. And you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I found these earbuds to be solid. The voice command features and overall sounds don't disappoint. These can be a good alternative to the more expensive brands. So that is my review of the Rowcing AI 007 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.